Hello Hacktubers! DIY Auto Touch Switch. It means when you touch the probe, the circuit power up and will stay on for 20 seconds and then will turn off. Amazing life hack that is easy and simple to make. Let's start today's project, and first I'm gonna draw the circuit diagram of Auto Touch Switch. All components for making this electronic gadget are very used parts, and LTST is global service for supplying all electronic components. When you visit the website, ordering parts is very simple because all components are very well organized. In description below I will place all parts for making Auto Touch Switch. As you can see, for about $6 you will get 50 pieces of 1 kΩ resistors, 50 pieces of 100 microfarad capacitor, 50 pieces of 10 nanofarad capacitors, 5 white LEDs, 20 NPN transistors, 1 adjustable resistor, and 5 pieces of 555 timer chip. For more info about LTST Electronic Component Store, visit the link below this video. Now let's solder all components in skeleton style. The Auto Touch Switch circuit is built, and let's see how it works. Great DIY gadget that is working very well, and it's practical life hack. Check my channel page for more videos. Thanks for watching, see ya in next video.